How you look? I feel the force is strong with me.
Hey.
Perhaps one day you will join me.
If them police keep fucking with me, I'm gonna sue their ass, man.
Oh, you can't sue their ass.
They detained me for 2 hours for nothing.
So what did they say?
They said they don't have nothing on the court.
So what they arrested you for?
They didn't arrest me.
So what did they detain you for?
Because they said that it was a violation of stay away order from her.
But still, that's only like 150 feet, right?
50 yards, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, so she can't do
I know, it's fucked up.
She can't do nothing about you being down here, right?
No. She can't even pay it because it's not even on record. They're looking for her right now because they think that she documented the shit herself and changed the dates on the paper. Because it's not, I went there this morning.
Well, see, that's what's going to happen. If they find out that she falsified papers, she's in trouble.
I went to the police station this morning, didn't I? And they said they have nothing with the restraining order on me.
Well, who was the officers that took you down? What did they say then?
Oh, they apologized.
Because when they got down there, they what?
They looked it up and they couldn't find it.
So they should be looking for her. She should be in trouble.
But they were looking for her yesterday, weren't they?
Yeah, they want to,
They want to question
But they should have known when they talked to her that the bitch is nuts.
Right, because I got papers saying that I can work out here.
She's the nuts. Well, then good. If she see you, let her call again.
That's what I wanted to do. I'm not afraid to go to the police station. They don't ever give me a ticket if it's legit, you know?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm about to go down there now.
Yeah, that mask look good, man. It look real.
I feel the force is strong within you. Perhaps one day you will join my empire. Say yes.
It's like a real family.
Taking you in? Been a bad pirate? Oh, yeah. We're going to the brig.
Yeah, going to the
Oh, wait, no, we don't want to go too far.
The plank! Wait. The plank, dude, the plank.
Trust me, I'm used to it, man.
That's what I'm saying, we don't want to go too far.
They take me down there and then they let me go.
The crazy lady.
They take me down there.
Ah, watch out for the lady.
Let the Wookiee lead.
Again, sir! Not this time!
And this time we got it on film.
Yes! Cover your heart, he's a soul stealer!
Chris, did you guys get footage of Will Smith?
I did get some. It was tough,
He
but I
didn't
got
make
it.
it all the way down the line.
He came across the street. I got right up
I know,
on
we were right next to him. He almost came to us.
Yeah, I got right.
I was gonna go sign my claw. I'll be like Superman.
Cool, you know. Slow Sunday.
When it started out, like $45.
Run, Chewbacca, run!
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. I don't know what's up. I don't know. Dude, but I'm getting it all on footage.
And they're coming here for him?
I think so. They're going to get me in trouble. I'm going to get in trouble. Am I going to get in trouble?
No, you're allowed to.
I wasn't even shooting him. Let me step back and get this. Yeah. It's something else. The chick said he did something to her. Show me right there. Dude, I got this shit all on film. Was I just having to be here or what? I don't want them to get in trouble.
He just made that joke and then I didn't realize what he
Dude. He's scared. He's scared. Oh, got it. I didn't mean to. I hope I don't get in trouble. You know how they get the guy to videotape. Crazy, man.
Arrest her, man. I'd love to get that on footage. You are getting arrested.
She said he attempted to rape her?
Yeah.
Dude, what a fucking fine on tape, dude.
You better say what she...
Hey, see, you've been over there to talk to the cops, right?
Right.
Yeah?
It's crazy. They're about to take her in.
You think so, buddy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, she's saying that this morning that he tried to rape her while we were all standing down there talking.
He never even came down this far. I've been here all morning.
She called the police and said that he was raping her right now.
It was the other guy. It was the
Yeah, there was the Hulk, but no, this goes way back though. This goes.
Gone.
Yeah, no, this is.
Which other champion at? He go?
He might have.
Huh?
He might have split.
Nice split, huh? Because he always be with her, working with her.
Like, dude, they got her, dude. She's lying.
They got it?
Oh, she's just making up shit now. She's just, I'm like.
But with the...
Starline tour and see why those 6 hours
Touch it.